With COVID-19 cases on the rise and the need for testing on the rise, the Ultimate Dental Association says, why not kill two birds with one stone and get tested when you go for a routine dental checkup?
There's 5,500 dentists in Ontario and 14,000 hygienists. Typically, they work in teams and see about 20 patients a day. That's 100,000 patients a day that we can test.
Dr. George Christodoulou is the co-CEO of Ultimate Dental. He says that level of testing could go a long way in reducing lines at testing centers right across the country. And he says dental centers already have protocols in place to be able to handle this kind of testing.
The PPEs are already being used. The dental teams are already prepared in a safe environment. Patients are coming in. As long as they're asymptomatic, we can take care of them, we can treat them, but we can also test them.
He says it would also be safer for asymptomatic patients.
Patients actually, think about it, they have to go to the hospital. They go to the hospital. They don't necessarily need to be there. And they're going to areas where there could be other sick people. Whereas when you're coming into the dental office, you're coming asymptomatic and you're coming into an environment which is protective.
Christodoulou says if they can get the support of either the provincial or federal government, they could get the plan up and running quickly with minimal training for dentists and hygienists.
We would add it to the protocols that we already have. So we'll probably have to train our people to do it correctly and properly, and I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to get there.
He says they've reached out to health officials at both levels of government, but have yet to hear back. Greg Ross, CBC News, Toronto.